Well, there's not a lot to break down. We officially hit the crash yesterday as futures open. You can see we dance around these yellow zones. But when I talked about a crash, last year, we did draw. I don't zone out the S&P, but I did draw these out here. These are weekly zones. Look what we did. But now this was by I think we're gonna make it to here. I think SPYs can go to 45, which is why we had that line there. Gap to it. Played the back and forth, shot up, shot back down, bounced off these like an absolute ping pong ball. Now I actually am still long. I'm long the Nasdaq itself, and I didn't go long until right here. We had this bull pin play out. It's paying out right now. But seeing that, that's when I decided to go long. Everything today, the kind of bullishness, I can't really call it a recovery, but the bounce. This is why I said I'm not selling calls this week. It's because stuff like this, you'll instantly be in management mode. So if you were watching yesterday, I told you guys I am a buyer. I'm a buyer by selling put. I sold a call on Tesla, but I did sell a put on Meta and Nvidia. So with Tesla, I just jump into that real quick. If you've been following my plays, I sold the 220 put, 100% play. 220 put, 100% play. 250 put. Now, kept 100%, but I did get assigned. And then I sold the 250 call for this week for, I want to say 540. Should be 540 on the dot. So I'm doing 2 contracts. So it was just shy of $1,100 to sell my shares where I got them. So if you are following along with that, all I've done is just sold the option to buy. When you sell, I'm obligated to buy the shares if it does get below. Anyway, sold the puts. Nothing ever happened. I just had to keep all the money. Now that I finally do have the shares at that price, although my adjusted cost basis is much lower, I own the shares at 250, and I'm selling the right to sell them at 250, collecting again another over $1,000 just for that.